kind of ready. I'm kind of ready, but also kind of not. I'm going to start with the face. I haven't done makeup in so long. I haven't even worn foundation. When I'm doing body paints and like costume makeup and stuff, I definitely want to wear like a heavier kind of product for foundation. Just because it's really going to ensure that our look lasts. I feel like everybody who does body paint knows what it's like to accidentally do do lettering back to front. I feel like every single one of us has accidentally done something back to front at one point or another. Honestly, if you're looking for good coverage, the ones that I'm using at the moment are from MAC, but I know that Tarte Shape Tape is also a really, really nice concealer that I use too sometimes. But I'm using MAC 24 Hour Wear at the moment, and I think that that's pretty good. So these are the ones I'm using at the moment. I've got NC and NW 1, I think. No, 10 even. So one is warm and one is cool. It's gonna be like a demon Ouija board kind of crossover. The way to do like lettering and stuff is that you need to stop looking at letters as letters. And this sounds stupid, but break everything that you do down into shapes. Like, they're no longer letters, they are just shapes. They're round shapes, or they're straight shapes, or they're like got an angle, you know? And instead of doing letters on yourself, just do shapes. If you're able to identify the shapes, then you're going to be able to put it on backwards. Another trick is to look at the reference picture flipped. So like, for instance, you can open whatever you're trying to write on Photoshop and then flip it so you can actually see what the shapes are, and stop looking at it as letters and look at them as shapes. All right. Foundation done. And done. My eye primer, I used ABH primer, and I honestly really like it. I really like that one. Now I'm going to use a setting powder that's brand new. I bought this recently. This one's from Illamasqua, because I saw someone using it and I was like, I want to use it. That person's cool. That person's real cool, so I'm going to use the same thing that they use. So it's a pressed translucent powder. So we're going to go for like this half demonic, half human, but with this carved Ouija board. Cat hair, woo! So I don't want it to be fully straight down. I want it to be kind of asymmetrical. I think I'm gonna do a black and red ombre. By the way, the wig that I'm gonna wear is like really cute. It's like a black little bob thing with a really short black fringe. So I think it's gonna be like really cute pinup kind of style. Wait, Wildcard actually said something else? Oh my god, what legends.
Each girl, 20 to 35, got bored of her BF, and she want to change in specific time. I don't buy that she is in a relationship. She want us, her puppies, her simps. She doesn't want to choose a man of us. Means only she degrade us. We are not men in her eyes. Only simps, which boost her ego and her popularity.
Can you see in one of my eyes it says LA? Can you see that? In one of my eyes it says LA. You see? I think it's that one. I am a demonic Ouija board. I said I would do a demonic Ouija board if you guys wanted me to and you voted for it on Twitter. But I'm quite happy with it. I think it looks cute. I feel like cutie.